In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable dark mode in Outlook. This is perfect if you prefer a darker interface that's easier on your eyes, especially during late night work sessions, or if you just want a sleek, modern look for your email client. Dark mode can reduce eye strain and give your Outlook a fresh new appearance. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Alright, let's get started. First, open Outlook in your web browser or desktop application. Once Outlook is open, look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a settings icon that looks like a gear. Click on the settings gear icon to open the settings menu. This will bring up a panel on the right side of your screen with various options. In the settings panel, navigate to General. Under General, you'll see several subcategories. Click on Appearance. This is where you can customize how Outlook looks. Once you're in the appearance settings, you'll see different theme options available. Choose dark from the list of options. You may also see options like light or use system setting, but for this tutorial, we want dark mode. After selecting dark, your Outlook interface will immediately preview the dark theme, showing you what it looks like. Finally, make sure to click Save at the bottom of the settings panel to apply your changes permanently, and that's it. Your Outlook is now in dark mode, giving you that sleek, eye-friendly interface. If this video helped you enable dark mode in Outlook, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button for more helpful tutorials.